So guys, I'm trying to get this fire started. I'm tired. Been up a long time. I got these hardwood coals, and I like these things. I think everyone's talked about these. I already put some of these in the grill here. And then I'm going to put some regular briquettes in them. And supposedly these are supposed to be real good when you're barbecuing them. Hardwood coal, like they've burnt the wood. I don't know how they do it, but like they burnt the wood and then they stop the process, and so they'll start on fire again. But I got one of these starters, guys, and let me tell you, this thing is worth its weight in gold. You put your coals here on the top, and then on the bottom you stuff it with paper, and then you light it and you just leave it. And I'm gonna do that. And I got some chicken that was on sale. They had drumsticks for 99 cents, so I bought 2 packs. So I'm gonna smoke them, slow smoke them, and cook them and barbecue them for tonight's dinner. So guys, I stuffed the bottom with the remainder of the bag because it was an empty bag. And again, all you're supposed to have to do is light it on the bottom and just leave it. Looks like it started. Pretty neat. You can tell we started building this barbecue pit. Never finished it. It's funny how many projects we can start and then walk away. At the time it seemed like a good idea. My old one was working perfectly. Yeah, that's working good. And it looks like it's doing quite well. It's almost ready to dump. Yeah, it's just starting to pop up through the top, and this thing is so amazing. Whoever came up with this is a genius, because I don't have any lighter fluid, guys, you know, and this really helped. Right, guys, we are going to attempt this. Now that came out real nice, you know, and those are all your ashes. Gotta lift this. I tell you what we need 2 hands. So I'm actually able to put that on the ground, which is really neat, you know, because any other way you wouldn't be able to do that. And I'm kind of stupid here, just using a couple napkins because I know this thing is hot, but I need to move this out of the way. Yeah. Don't burn me, don't burn me. If you say the word don't burn me, it actually works. And then here, get a close up of the, right here, down here, the briskets. There are the hardwoods right there, and then we're just gonna pour them right on top like that. Oh, that should do quite well. My chicken started to burn me. That's what it looks like. And now you can hear that crackling. That's the hardwoods. So I'm going to let that burn a little bit, and then I'm going to put my chicken over here, and we're going to slow cook that. Okay, guys, here's my chicken, and let me see if I can zoom in on the price. Look at this. All that chicken for $4.83. and $4.72. Well, guys, I put 1 pack of chicken on. I still have a whole nother pack. I'm like, oh my goodness, where am I going to put it? But I'm putting it on there. If I can get it on there, I think I'll be okay. And then I'll put the lid on it, and it'll cool those coals down a little bit. Chicken's looking pretty good. I'm using indirect heat on it and smoking it. And so I'm very happy with what we got going on here. It's taken a lot longer than I thought. When I started this venture, it was daylight. Now it's pushing 9 o'clock, and the kids and my wife are saying, hey, we're starving. I know it. Hey, you cannot rush perfection. All right. We are actually looking really good here. I'm going to put some sauce on these bad boys. Oh, yeah, baby. Man, does that look good. I need to get one of those brushes. I got these brushes. I don't have one though. Actually, I think I do have one. I should probably go get the brush and paste it on there. I've always used a spoon, but I'm almost positive we have one of those brushes that you paint. I'll do that for the other side. I thought this was going to be done about 7 o'clock at latest. We're already about 9. You talk about a late night dinner, but boy, it's slow and low. It's looking good. It's looking good. Oh man, is that looking good. The smell, what you can't smell, is killing me. It smells so good, and I'm gonna flip those over. Alright, so I found my brush, guys, which is good. So now, paint by numbers. Oh yeah. Look at that, guys. Paint by numbers. I'm gonna eat that piece right there, guys, right there. I'm gonna eat that piece. That looks just simply scrumptious. Oh yeah. I got this grill. It's a Weber kettle grill. Both my grills actually I got at garage sales. One of them, my gas grill, which is a Weber, I got at an estate sale for 20 bucks. And then spent some money getting new grates and flavor bars. This grill, I think I got for $10. I couldn't believe it. I didn't want to put it in my car at the time, but because it was really nasty. It's funny, some people will destroy things, and whoever decides to clean it gets to keep it. Because everybody wants to buy new and brighter and shinier and better, versus just take care of what they got. Although, the last time I barbecued, I didn't clean the grates, and it was a big pain in the tail getting all those grates cleaned. Ooh, now that is looking real good. Look at that, guys. That is looking delicious. Alright, so that I'm going to let that bake just a little bit longer, and then we should have a little bit of dinner. Hoo-ah! Alright, guys, I think we are finished with our gourmet chicken. It's close to 10 o'clock. Oops. And that chicken is looking actually really delicious. I'm going to poke into a piece, make sure it's done, and it is totally done. What we got is, a lot of times when you're cooking chicken, it doesn't look like it's done because of the flavor, like a flavor lines on it, but this is fully cooked. That one got a little too done, but that's okay. Oh, look at that. Oh, I'm gonna eat that. Oh, look at that piece. I'm gonna eat that too. Oh man, check that out, guys. Is that not sick? That is delicious. That's perfectly cooked. It's not overdone, it's not underdone. You can't eat under. Look at that, guys. That is just ridiculous right there. What's funny is this metal bowl that I'm holding right here is getting heavy, but not only is it getting heavy, it's getting hot. From all the chicken in it. It's like, not good. That bowl is getting so hot. So, I'm getting that piece up. So there's my chicken, guys, right there. And I'm very grateful to the Lord for making chickens. That much chicken, if I went to KFC, would be like stupid. And I think I'm in at like $10 for 2 packs. So I'm going to thoroughly enjoy. Thanks for watching, guys. Be blessed. Guys, here's the finished product. There's my barbecue chicken with some red potatoes with salt, pepper, butter, cheese. There's Tracy putting more cheese on it, and those are roasted carrots. And I'm telling you what, it is absolutely delicious. I already ate one. As soon as we prayed, guys, I banged out one. I was just like, oh, I can't stop eating this. This is delicious. All right, have a great week, guys. Peace.